It's so good actually. It's pretty
I
good.
told you the intro.
So we made like a lychee, whiskey, and that's it.
It's
Liski.
making noises.
It's called Liski. We copyright it.
Fabio, this is your video. Do the intro.
Oh, hi guys. This is hey guys, it's hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani, and we're back with another video. It's so convenient to do the right away.
Yeah, without edits.
Then you don't edit it anymore.
Exactly.
In today's video, we're gonna be reacting to.
But we're not reacting.
Sorry. For
Today's video is just a sit-down, simple video. We're just gonna talk about, as you read in the title, about what it's really like dating a Filipino. Baby, wag ka nang So this is all Fabio's video.
So Yani is gonna interview me, and I'm gonna give you some answers.
What do you mean interview? That's it. That's all the video is all about. What it's like.
So what is it? Like a confession? Like a confessional video?
Yeah, confessional video. It's like Pinoy Big Brother. Hi, Kuya. Hi, Big Brother.
Hi, big brother. So, hey fans. First of all, shout out
Hey,
to
fans.
shout out to all of you Filipinos out there, because I know it's many of you. How's dating a Filipino?
The idea about this video came by, we just wanted to inspire other people out there as well that
To what? To date a Filipino? Inspired
Yes!
to date a Filipino?
actually this video came about after reacting to the Lagang Pilipina. Which one? Which video was that?
Oh, the music video.
Oh, Filipina Girls! Sorry. So yeah, this video is inspired by the music video of Billy Crawford, Filipina Girl. And in the video, it was actually James Reid who rapped that if you find a Filipina and she is fine, you better keep that. So many people were wondering now, like, what it's like dating a Filipino. I don't think I can.
That's a great question.
I don't think I can because I'm not very Filipino.
You totally are.
I'm
You think
Filipino.
you're not?
I'm pure Filipino.
What the fuck are you talking about today? I really don't understand you. Anyways, so dating a Filipino is very... To me, it was extremely different than what I was expecting.
What do you mean?
So, if you let me talk, I will let you know.
Should we do this ASMR?
I don't know. First started dating when I found out that he was Filipino.
Wait, hold on. I actually didn't know these stories too, so I haven't asked him this question yet, so this is perfect. And you're gonna see my reaction while he talks about his experience.
When I first found out that he was Filipino, because I didn't know. Like,
What did you
when
think
I
I was?
saw him, I thought you were just, I don't know,
Chinese.
Asian, some part of Asia. I have no idea. Probably Chinese.
Because background story, everyone in Europe thinks that if an Asian person is Asian, they're straight off Chinese.
Not everyone in Europe, but
Especially in
a lot of
Italy.
people.
His hometown. It's a very small town. Okay.
I thought, okay, let's start dating, let's see how it goes. I've never been with a Filipino before. It was interesting because I had some ideas in my mind. I didn't know too much about the culture, but definitely I knew that they care a lot about their homes and how clean they are.
Where'd you hear that from?
And that's my knowledge. Then, unfortunately, I found out exactly the opposite.
No.
Yes.
In the beginning, when we were dating.
Even in the beginning, he tricked me very well.
It wasn't a
Because-
trick. That's actually who I am. No, Fabio.
He tricked me.
Lies you tell.
So
Lies
basically,
you tell.
we started dating, and when I first went to his apartment, I was like, "Oh my god, it's amazing! Everything was spotless, super clean, super nice." Then we moved in together after a while, and guess what? It was all a lie.
Bitch,
Everything
no,
was a lie.
it's not a lie.
He's so messy.
I'm not
you
messy.
guys have no idea.
I'm not messy.
You have no idea.
I'm not messy. You're making me look bad in front of the world.
Okay, let me
This
take
is
the camera. I show you what you hide.
What the? It's clean now.
Let's say that my standards were very different than his, and so that was a bad surprise for me.
For my defense, Fabio has an OCD.
I
like
don't have
Nadine
OCD.
Lustre, I heard that Nadine likes everything organized.
Yeah, me too.
That's Fabio.
But that's not OCD. It's
A
just being
simple
clean and
hair,
organized.
a simple hair strand in the bathroom would piss him off.
Yes.
Yes,
That's true.
exactly. So his level of clean is like heaven white clean.
I need
like
to
the clean of the wall.
I
This
need
wall.
to be able to lick the floor and be amazed by it.
Well, bitch, I'm so busy. I have no time to clean every single damn day for you.
But what are you're always sitting on the couch. Anyways, this is about dating a Filipino, right?
Yes, go. But don't stereotype every single Filipino based on me.
No, I guess I picked the wrong apple in the basket. I really picked the wrong one.
You picked the wrong Filipino. Keep going.
Too bad.
How is this video 7 minutes already? Anyway.
Other than that, I have to say, if you're dating a Filipino, definitely buy great earplugs. Those are gonna
Why?
be very useful. because Filipinos love karaoke, but unfortunately, again, I picked the wrong apple, right? So not all of them have heavenly angel voice.
Okay, I can sing.
Exactly, that's the problem. They think they can sing, but the truth is
But
not.
come on, compared to other people, I can sing.
Oh, absolutely not. Compared to other people, you're like average people are here.
This video is done.
You're like,
Thank you all for watching. We will see you all next time.
no.
Bye, guys!
Wait. Earplugs, I have different brands that I can suggest. So if you guys are dating a Filipino, you can comment down below. I'll link you the brand of the earplugs that I use. Well, the great part is that they love food, or at least my boyfriend loves food, and I like it too. So that's a great part because I think food is like really the glue of
life.
the relationship.
Food is the way to your heart.
It is true. Because it goes very close to it, right? When it goes down to the stomach, it goes past by heart.
But pass by the heart. Yes, the heart has to taste it first. What else? Because I am his first Filipino boyfriend.
First full
Filipino.
Because I
boyfriend.
went gradual. Because I wanted to
He had to prepare himself.
a couple of times, and then I was like, okay, I'm ready to go full vegan.
Yes.
The thing that I like about it is very family oriented, which I love because I'm the same. But the problem is when they all get together.
What's the problem, bitch? Bitch, what's the problem when we get together? You tell the kids what's the problem. What's the problem? What's the problem?
No, nothing happens. Let's say that the earplugs come back very handy. When Yani speaks to his family and they're just talking normal, like, hey, how's it going? Like, oh my god, did you eat today? They're like yelling. It's like a full fight. And I'm always like, Yani, what's going on? Because he speaks Tagalog
Yes!
with his family. And I'm like, why are you mad to your brother?
Bisaya.
What did he do? And he's like, nothing. Why? We're just talking about our day. I'm like, bitch!
If you were to be crowned as Binibining Pilipinas 2019,
Yeah.
would you date a Filipino again? Why or why not?
I think life
Thank
teaches
you
you
for that wonderful
great lessons, and you need to recognize the mistakes.
Oh,
that you
time's
made.
up.
But-
Sorry. Thank you, Miss
Excuse
Italy.
me.
Thank you, Miss Italy. Time's up.
So I will not make the same mistakes because
Oh, this is a mistake.
let's say it's a poor decision. I
Okay,
guess.
so you've said negative things so far. Positive things about dating a Filipino. Come on. This should not be hard.
That is a great question.
Come on.
Just tell me something.
What? No, nothing. So let's change this video. What is it like dating Yani? Because Filipino is such a generic, full thing.
Exactly. Let's
And
talk about
let's
Yani.
not stereotype. Let's talk about Yani.
Also, because I really don't know anyone.
Yeah, and also I feel like Filipino is so diverse now. There's a lot of Filipinos from abroad, and one of them, there's Filipinos that are have been living in the Philippines.
But
you know.
you know what? I know a lot of Filipinos because I was working with a lot of them in the past. And I love them. I always loved hanging out with them because they have a great sense of community. Like
You heard that, guys, here. So when we go home to the Philippines, Fabio would like to hang out with you guys.
Yeah, because as soon as they knew that I was dating a Filipino, they were like, oh my god, always calling me like, you're invited to our Filipino parties. And I was like the queen of them. It was amazing. I always had free food, free drinks. We had karaoke together. Couldn't understand a word, obviously. Oh, it was strong. Dating Yani is like, do you remember Hurricane Katrina?
Come on.
So
don't. Why?
basically, I have to run around the house and just clean the mess that Hurricane Katrina creates.
Again, he has OCD, you guys. Don't believe
No,
it.
no. That's not OCD. It's normal. It's not. It's just normal. And then
Why is it all negative though? Can you say something positive too?
positive? He makes great chicken, but the problem is that I'm vegetarian now. So
Is that all the positive really?
positive.
We have a lot of beauty queens watching, and Mai and Kim Chu and Nadine watches our video.
Right.
So say something nice about
He knows how to blend foundation.
Okay, here this is the part I'm waiting
He's-
for. Okay.
he's very-
This is the part I've been asking him to. Okay,
He's
go.
very loving. Like he's loving. But the only problem is that
Why is there always a problem? There's no problem.
it's covered.
Why is there always a problem?
It's covered with a layer of bitchiness. So first comes the bitchiness and then comes the love.
Comment
So
below
it's
if you guys are
always
like
very
that
hard.
too. Comment below if you guys are like that.
It's like when you taste wine and it's like, oh god, this wine is bad. Deep inside is good. But first sip is bad.
So why are you in love with me?
That's a great question. I never thought about it because we laugh all the time together. So we really are connected and we really love jokes. We have fun all day, every day. We laugh. We make fun of each other.
I still can't get over it. What other positive things dating?
Bitch,
Yani?
what do you want? Do you want to give me a list and I read it? Tell me. What's the list of things you like about me?
Your eyes, your beautiful heart,
So just
your
physical.
beautiful soul,
You didn't see the soul.
your very beautiful heart,
You said it already. So
your very beautiful big
eyes
heart.
again. Okay, heart. So it's anatomic here. So it's just the anatomy of myself you like. Then what?
Your beautiful values,
Which one?
family oriented.
Okay, that I said about you. Then what?
Why are you counting?
I'm counting
This is about
because
me.
here is
This video is about
counting.
me. What?
No,
what is-
bitch. Because
Okay, let's go back to what is it like dating Yani?
I already said it.
Which is,
The Hurricane Katrina.
where do you see this relationship in 10 years?
In 10 years? Oh my god. That's tough. I see me taking a lot of pills.
Alcohol
and
every
drinking,
night,
and drinking
wine
a lot.
every night, whiskey every night.
Yeah. Where do you see our relationship in 10 years?
Thank you for the wonderful question. I believe.
See, you don't know how to answer.
Did you let me finish? I'm answering the question.
You started like the pageant queens that don't know how to answer questions.
I'm answering the question.
Okay,
Can you
go
let me
ahead.
finish?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you for the wonderful question.
Mm?
I believe that this relationship in 10 years, I believe very much, and very much so, that in 10 years, that is in 2030, which is 10 years from now.
You still have time. This is not like the pageant queen. You still have time. Go ahead.
I really believe.
The bell is not ringing. You go ahead. I want to see you climbing these mirrors.
I believe that the children
Yeah? In 10 years are gonna be all 10 years older, right?
will be our future.
Hmm.
Teach them well and let them lead the way.
Great. So you see guys how it is? You see how... So if any of you is Filipino and you think you can be a great candidate for this relationship,
Candidate?
go ahead.
Wait.
Send me your resume.
Okay, you guys, this
No, send
video,
me your resume.
the title of this video is not really fair because what it's like dating a Filipino, and Filipino, like I said earlier, is very diverse and it's not good to stereotype all Filipinos. So we changed it later on to what it's like dating Yani. And he said I'm very loving.
And many other things I said that we
And
are
I'm
not
funny.
You're funny.
Why is it always hard for you?
Are smooth. You're pretty smooth. You are symmetrical. Like if I look at you, you're pretty symmetrical. And then you are kind of toned in parts of your body. Half circumcised. I'm gonna put it in the video.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all the video for today. Fabio is having a hard time figuring out what he loves about me. So why are we together?
You have hard time telling me too.
I don't.
Go ahead. Let's listen. Let's
Like I said, your eyes.
your eyes.
Can you
my
can you let me finish?
No, but can I tell you, my eyes.
I'm not done. Can you let me finish?
0.01% of my body.
Can you let me? Your eyes
Yeah.
that sees the beautiful heart of people. Your heart that feels how much I love you and how much you love me.
Where did you pull these quotes?
Girl!
Girl, it's
Girl.
a song. What is this?
It's not a song.
What is this?
It's not a song. If it is a song, I composed it.
Adele, you
Patented,
should. Adele,
patented.
you should use this. If these lyrics, you should use them for the next time.
leave my heart out the door.
See what I told you before,
I
like
won't
earplugs.
say
I'm gonna
a
go
word.
ahead and use them now.
Anyway, there's a lot of things that I like about you too. That why I love you and why I'm with you.
For example, let's give
Values.
value again. Values, family again. Then what? Okay, let's
There's a
give.
lot more.
No,
okay, how about we
wait.
compete now? We compete.
Wait.
Who has the most things to say why we're together?
So wait, because we're gonna do a spin-off of this video. Spin-off starting now.
No. Okay, yeah. So
It's gonna be a second video.
your values, your heart. Honestly, I'm not joking, your heart.
Okay.
The way you look at people and the way you actually appreciate what is good. You see what is good in the world.
But see, I cannot
And
say
we
that
have the
about
same-
you because you're a bit of a bitch.
I'm not a bitch.
You are.
Guys, comment down below if you think I'm a bitch. Can you let me finish?
God.
I also appreciate how we enjoy each other's company.
So laughing together, kind of like what I said.
Your continuity. Okay, I'm being serious now. You taught me how to let go and how to be loving, living in the moment kind of thing. Yeah.
I'm still letting you finish. You can go ahead.
Ding ding! Oh, that's the bell. Thank you so
Oh, well,
much. And I.
no.
Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you this. My last tip is we're not counting anymore.
Oh, I was still
The
counting.
reason we're done. The reason why I decided to make this video is to help you guys as well to find your loved ones, and it might take time. I just want to say that if you want us to make a video of how to look for your boyfriend or for your partner.
What experience do you have? Let's grind
No,
nowadays.
the best advice I could give is do not look for your boyfriends or girlfriends. Let it happen, because when it's natural, it will happen when it needs to happen, and it will come when it needs to come. And when that moment arrives, be ready for it, and you're supposed to be ready for it, and you know when it's ready.
You know when it's about to come.
See y'all next time.
Bye.